guys, it's Erica from Seldom Saints, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to take this blanket that I got from Walmart and do a sublimation print on it. What's really neat about sublimation is that there's no weeding involved. It just straight prints out your printer and then you press it onto your garment. I already have my design printed right here. And so what we're going to do is start off by getting this blanket ready to press. So I'm going to cut this. I haven't tried this out yet with this blanket, so we shall see how it works. Okay, and I just need one corner of the blanket. You can undo the whole thing if you want to. Let's see if I can get it. There's all kinds of little tags in it. Okay, that'll work. So, you want to make sure all the little plastic tags, like the things that hold it together, are out because plastic will melt. So I'm just making sure that they are out right now. Okay, and then the first thing you're going to want to do is I have a piece of parchment paper. I line the bottom of my heat press with it. And you're going to want to take another, I'm like super protective about the heat press because the ink will transfer onto the heat press if you're not careful. So I'm extra cautious about it. And then I just put a piece of plain copy paper down. And what else do we need? Then at this point we're going to take our blanket and I'm doing the corner of it. So again, just double checking. We'll go ahead and lay that on the heat press like so. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna get another piece of paper. See, I don't have one. Okay, so you're gonna get another piece of paper, put it on top of that. And I'm gonna take my Teflon sheet and I'm gonna pre-press the blanket for about 15 seconds. I already have my heat press set. It's set at 385 for 85 seconds. So we're just going to let that press for about 15 seconds. Okay. We pre-pressed that, and now we are going to take the Teflon sheet off. And I have my design right here. It is mirrored. And then we're going to go ahead and put this down. If you want, you can trim this down. You can cut it. You can tear it. I'm going to just go ahead and tear it. Sometimes when you tear the edges on it, it doesn't give it such harsh lines because sometimes they can have harsh lines. I'll do it where it's not ripped and where it's not ripped and where it's ripped. That way you guys can see the difference. And we're just going to line it up. Make sure our sheet is under, oh, I almost forgot. You want to lint roll it. Huge important to get all the fuzzies. So we're going to give it a quick lint roll. Smooth it back down. Take our design, line it up to where we want it on the blanket. We're going to take our piece of copy paper, put it on top of that. And then we're going to take our Teflon sheet and put it over the copy paper. I may be a little bit excessive, like I said. I just absolutely don't want ink on my heat press. Okay, and again, Our heat press is set for 385 for 85 seconds. Okay, and then you just let it go. Okay, so now obviously the blanket is extremely hot, so you want to very carefully not move, because if you don't want to move the paper, the transfer paper, because if you move it, there's possible ghosting is what they call it. It basically creates like a duplicate layer. So we're going to very carefully remove our Teflon sheet. And then this is our copy paper. And this, I don't know if you guys can see this. This is exactly why you want to use like parchment paper, copy paper, something, because of the ink bleeding through. You do not want that on your heat press. Let me see if you can definitely see that. You don't want that on your heat press. It's ink, it's permanent. It's not like vinyl where you can peel it off. We're gonna very carefully remove, this is what we printed on. You can see it's definitely faded out now. And then this is our blanket. It looks super cute. Because like from the pressing, it pushes the fibers down. I like taking a lip roller again. Oops. I like taking a lip roller again and just kind of trying to lift those fibers up a little bit. Like so. All right. And here is our finished design. Super cute for the holidays. They make great Christmas gifts. They make, customers love these right now. They're super, super cute. And I can go over how I set my printer up and how I set everything up in another video. This was just a real quick video to show you how I just press it onto a blanket, how I do sublimation on a blanket. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share. Also, if you hit the notification bell in the corner, it notifies you every time I make videos. I don't have a consistent schedule, but I'm trying to upload at least a few times a week right now. So just kind of bear with me. The holidays are a little bit kind of crazy. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.